Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will how to merge your Oculus account with VRChat. So let's start. I will try to use some tips that you can do it. So we have here a resume about how you can do it. This I found on Reddit, so I'll read to you. So you have to adjust to be clear. A merge account is just VRChat account, a merge Steam Oculus account are just right accounts. The only thing left from them after merge is a key to allow those accounts to log into VRChat account. Aside from that, there is no difference between VRChat account and one was merged. You can merge both Oculus and Steam account into the same VRChat account, but to my knowledge, only the first one merged has any data transfer to the ones whose data delete. So that is how you can merge the account. As you can see, it's not possible to do it, as it says the only one thing left is merge the key allowed, but well, it's not possible right now to do it. So guys, well, if you want to merge, we have to find another way, but it's a little bit impossible to do that. You can merge the both Oculus and Steam, if you prefer, account to the same VRChat account, but the first one merge has that transfer, the other ones that just delete. So you have to think about it before doing the merge account from both sides. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.